Hey, 7th graders. I am going to go ahead and cover multi-step equations with different types of solutions. A lot of students really ask me to do number 1. I'll go ahead and do that one. I'm going to go ahead and start with my first step, which is a t-chart. And since we're looking at types of solutions, at the end we want to identify if it's one solution, no solution, or infinite. I'm going to write V and C. Remember, this is just a guidance. And this works with most problems. But as we saw in class, there can be situations where we run out of variables on our constants on my constant side or vice versa. There's no distributing, so I'm going to box my variables. And with the operation in front, and circle my constants. I can see that these combine. 2x plus x will give me 3x. 3 plus 4 is going to give me 7. On the other side, I'm going to continue combining my boxes and get 11x. And here I'm going to get plus 15. Now I'm going to go ahead and inverse, so that way I can move my variable off my constant side. I'm going to inverse the 11x. If you notice, I put the 11x, negative 11x, underneath my other variables, so that way I can combine like terms. When I do this, I'm going to get, I see integers, so that's a positive and negative number. I'm going to subtract and take the sign of the larger number. 11 minus 3 is 8. The 11 is larger, so it'll be negative. I'm going to bring down what I have left. I now have a two-step equation. I'm going to inverse 7 on each side, because that was a constant on my variable side. I'm going to get negative 8x. 15 minus 7 is 8. I'm going to continue with the inverse here, which is division. Since I'm inversing a division, I still keep the negative. That will cross out. I'm going to get x equals positive divided by a negative is going to give me a negative. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Because I have a variable that equals a solution, I'm going to go ahead and write one solution. So as you do the rest, make sure you follow the steps given, and you should be able to solve and identify the type of solutions. Good luck.